Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2022 Toyota Camry. What are we doing? Well, let me tell you. So, we got a little backstory on the customer. Apparently, they left the sunroof open. Oh, I need this right here. They left the sunroof open, and the jute here, I believe that's what it's called, was soaked, and so was the carpet. So insurance is involved, and we are removing and replacing. Now, there is no mold smell, but we are going to clean the surfaces once we remove all this out of here. And we're pretty much replacing it. Replacing this whole material here, and we are replacing the entire carpet assembly. So what we had to do was, obvious, we had to take out both the driver's seat and passenger seat. We had to take out the center console. We had to take out some trim pieces over here, some trim over here. And the back seat, all we had to do was just lift it up to gain access to a number of clips that are over there. Seat belts were removed. This guy here, that guy right there. And the B pillar, lower B pillar, we just pull out just a little bit, giggity. And we're able to remove the carpet out of there and out of there. We had to remove the accelerator pedal so we could remove the carpet from the driver's side. Passenger side, there was nothing there that we really had to remove. It was just mainly the kick panel here, the door sill here on both sides. So yeah, let's continue. Alright guys, here we are a little further along. We got the center console mounting out of here. We got the shifter mounting and the shifter out of here. We did in fact disconnect the battery because this is going to go right to our SRS unit. So we're going to have to unplug that and actually dismount that from the body because this whole insulator is underneath it. We're going to have to undo this guy here and on the other side as well. This, I believe, is just held in with a little clip there, same with over there, and same with that guy right there. So we're moving along pretty good. Very good. Well, interesting turn of events, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, mold is present. Mold is present in the back, mold is present in the front driver's side, and it is especially present on the passenger side. So now that things have escalated, we are going to contact the insurance company for a possible supplement. So where we're going to have to remove all this stuff here, and they're probably going to get Serv Pro involved also to treat the interior, treat the seats. So in the meantime, we're going to have to put everything, well, not everything back together, but we're going to put the seats back in the car, all the trim pieces in the trunk, because we don't know when the adjuster is going to come, or it's going to be a few days out for at least the parts. So why tie down a lift? So yeah, we're gonna connect the battery, drive the car out, put it in the yard, and wait for the adjuster. And yeah, it is what it is, guys. Well guys, interesting turn of events. The insurance agent came back down to the vehicle for inspection because, as you can see, mold has been found on the front driver's side and passenger side vehicle. Also, we have obvious witness marks of water cascading onto the ABS unit, and I'm going to do something I normally wouldn't. I flipped it. We also have rust on the bottom. So these are all indicators for the insurance agent to total the vehicle. A 2022 Toyota Camry with roughly 14,000 miles on it is now Bugat's. It is what it is. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.